Do you want to know how you can create a massive engagement in your Facebook group? Hi, my name is Sagar. I'm an organic sales coach, and today I'll be talking about 10 different ways that you can create a massive engagement in your Facebook group. And that will help you to create more conversion in your webinar, workshop, wherever you are actually selling your offer. Okay, now let's get started. So, the first thing is whenever somebody entered into your group, first you have to connect them with a welcoming message that makes them feel special. Normally they join a lot of groups, but when you make them special, inviting them, tagging them, how you can do it? So let me show you how you can do it. So this is group, this is my group. So whenever somebody join, I can just see that how many members joined this yesterday. So yesterday I did this process. So whenever somebody join, let's suppose 5, 10 people or 50 people join in 1 week, you can tag them directly from here. When you click on write welcome post, all the members they are getting accepted inside the group. Let's suppose you have not accepted, there are a lot of pending requests are already there. I can go just accept all these members. Okay, so you can see all the members I've accepted. Yes, so you can see, yeah. Now I will go and show you how you can do it also. Yeah, let me refresh once again. Yes, now you can see. Now you can just click here, write a welcome post. All the members will be tagged. Here you can put a welcome to this group, and you can put any video message you want to give. You can also give. That way they will feel valued and they will remember you. Every single step of the customer journey is important. How you make them feel special. So it is not about your own content, how the context. Okay, so this is a very small subtle thing they notice. So before you give them offer, first you have to build a trust every single touch points. Okay, so the first step is this: you have to give them welcoming. Number two, you can ask open-ended questions inside the group. So if you see, like I have some putting some open-ended questions like this. So basically I whenever I get idea, I just put all the open-ended question over here in this sheet. So what is the last book that you read? Okay, course creators, what the name of your first course? Okay, what is the number one goal for the next 90 days? So what will happen is this will trigger them to answer. Okay, so rather than you just posting your offer post, okay, invite to webinar, this is my course, buy it, buy it, buy it, and then you invite them to some interactions. So these small interaction will again add up to your final offer. Okay, so these are the good nurturing ways. So these are the good nurturing questions that you can ask. So this is how I do it. Number three. So number three, you can offer a lead magnet, any valuable resources. Then you ask for, okay, comment this specific, you ask for specific word. Okay, I have a created cheat sheet to grow your Facebook group. Okay, type cheat sheet in the comment to get it. So what will happen is every single people they comment. Now Facebook sees there is a good engagement in there. The Facebook will showcase to more and more people inside the group. Remember, there is one algorithm principle are there. Facebook will not show you, or any social media will not show you 100% of your followers. If you have a, let's suppose I have now 2,200 members. Sorry, now they will not show. Facebook will not show to every 2,000 people. Okay, so what they will show to like 10 to 20% maximum, based on the engagement that people get and the reactions people get on their post. Then it add up to the more and more people. It will showcase to more and more people. Got it? So that is the how it works. So give free resources and ask for some comment to, and that will create a more engagement. Number four, that is creating a poll. So poll is something that help me specifically to get insights from what exactly my target market wants. So I can sometimes put, okay, I am planning to do that free training for all of you here in this group. Which topic you want? I give them 4 topics, then they choose, okay, this topic I want. So based on their request, I give them. So now this is something like they like most, because it is about them, not about me. Okay, so that's where like polling feature really works well to do some like what kind of things they want. It works good in the research part. Number five, you can host a monthly or weekly AMA, Ask Me Anything Facebook Live. Facebook Live works like crazy. Some people talk like ask me like about video. Video is good, but when it comes to Facebook Live, it works like crazy. Facebook Live. And if you do it monthly or weekly based on your like availability, I recommend start with weekly. Once you do it weekly, monthly, AMA, so that also people see, okay, this person is really care for your audience. So ask me, you can go and before that you can create a post inside the group. Okay, ask me this all this question here. I will go and answer all this question maybe next weekend. That's how you do it. Number 6, host interviews. Host Facebook Live interviews inside your Facebook group. So normally I used to start my Facebook Live mostly in the evening, and the interview engagement is super high. Like that actually given me lot of engagement inside my group. I think that is the one of the best engagement I get. Like sometimes I 100 comments, 200 comments, like crazy. Okay, so Facebook Live interviews inside the Facebook group. Sometimes I don't do Facebook Live on my profile. I ask them to join my Facebook group. So that is the one reason also people, lot of people join my Facebook group. So you that is one funnel that many people get struggle ki how they can invite people to the group. So you can give them some reason to join your group, right? So give some because Facebook group is exclusivity. If there is no exclusivity, nobody will join. If you just share the same content over social media, same content over group, people will not join. Cool. So that's how you do it. Number 7, that is case studies and success stories. You can directly post about their success stories by putting a photo, whatever they have to give in the testimonials. You can simply do the live interview with them, like asking about their journey, how they got it, and how your coaching helped them. That actually make more sense when it comes to converting people, because they actually see not from you what you are talking, they see the what other people are talking about you. Okay, that build a more trust in the market. Number 8 is something that you can, whenever you do any community call or a coaching call, you can create a post like putting a photo and ask them to go and comment on the big breakthroughs, key learnings, and that will create a FOMO inside the group. Okay, to what they need to check. Okay, that's actually not just engagement, it helps to convert more people, because people are curious to know what is happening inside. Okay, they don't want to miss it out, right? So because when people create content in the comments, and that also create a more trust about your paid programs. Number 9, user generated content. Whenever you can also host a live workshop there and all. So rather than just commenting it, I ask them to create a content, go live, share key takeaways, or create a post. So when, like, rather than you posting content, when other members start contributing that group, like Facebook sees that, okay, a lot of people are engaging here, and then Facebook start recommending your group to a lot of other groups. So you get lot of free people, like from Facebook, because of you create a massive engagement, not from you but from your users, from your members. Last but not the least, the 10th one, which is always try to recognize, acknowledge the people who are already creating good engagements. So through Facebook group, let me show you how you can do it. Let me show you in my group. Go to this membership, inside that is called membership. You can find who are the people who are at top contributors, okay, maybe in the last 30 days. So you can take a top 10 or top 5 based on it. So what will happen is, so people will, and you can give away some books or something, so that will help you to uh, help other people to encourage to get more active inside this group. So I hope you liked it, and if you want to know more and how you can build your monetize your Facebook group, I have a special training coming up. You can join my next training, or you can sign up for the free course I've just given in the description. And you also part of my community. I'll be also putting my Facebook group link, so that you can also learn more about how you can monetize and your audience without paid ads, just using the organic methods. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you got a lot of value. Share me what is the key bulb on moment or key takeaways in the comment box, and I'm super excited to see you and reply back to you.